Okay, everybody, let's see what is so special about this slide and try to create it. You'll find that what is special, it's just a transition. We create a little good transition and you see it. This transition, it make it work. How we can create this transition? You see, we have a picture of night city. What we do, we insert a blank space. We have a picture and we write a night city on it. Some of you may ask how we create that. It's really easy. You create a picture, okay, and write a text on it. For example, here we write a text on it and make it increase in size. Okay, and then what we do, we just press PTR screen to take a screenshot, and then we in this new slide, what we are going to do in this new slide that we have, what we are going to do when we go to format background, we send the picture from clipboard. You see, now it's like a picture in the background, but we don't need it. Now let's delete it. We just need the picture we have. Okay, we need to add this texture. How we can do that? It's easy and really easy. We go to insert, we go to where icons and find that, but we imported it just now. We just copy that, we copy a rectangle and the currency and put them here. Let me just copy that and paste it here. Okay, we have the thing we want. Now what we do, we need to create an amazing effect. How? Let's add a new slide, blank slide. Then we are going to use these shapes here and try to make this slide full of this shape. Press Ctrl A and try to copy them as many as you can. And another one here. Then we are going to put them, copy them and paste them here, and we are going to set them a slide background and shape format, no outline. Okay, but the important thing is that in this page, in this slide, we need to copy this slide. We see it's a little lagging. Okay, it's fixed. We copy the slide that we have here with all the shapes, but we need to cut them. Why? Because at first I forget something. Before pasting them here, we need to copy this slide. Now let's bring them up and then go to shape format and change the background, change the shape outline. Now it's okay. Now in this slide, what we are going to do, we are going to put them up here, okay, and change the shape outline later, not now. We are going to make them some distances. You will understand why we are distancing them, but just for now, after we distancing them, we select all of them and set the shape format to none. Then run the slide. After adding morph transition, now the magic is going to appear. Make the time a little longer. Let's see how it looks like. You see, it's a great transition. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time. Until